Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for a Temu free gift? You've landed on the right video because I'm about to show you exactly how to claim yours and get even more free items on Temu. To start, here's a hot tip. Enter code FRCO5365 in the Temu app to claim your free gift right now. Seriously, go open your Temu app, type in that code FRC05365 and claim your gift. In this video, I'm not just stopping there. I'm going to reveal how to get free items on Temu using exclusive coupon codes. I've got tips for 50 of them. Whether you're a new user or a frequent shopper, these strategies will help you unlock incredible free gifts and save big on every Temu order. So what are we covering today? First, I'll show you exactly how to redeem Temu coupon codes for free gifts. It's a simple process, but knowing the right steps can make all the difference. Next, we'll dive into tips to find the absolute best Temu free gift offers and discounts. These aren't always obvious, but I'll guide you to where the real deals are hidden. Then, you'll learn how to maximize Temu promotions for even more savings. Stacking deals and understanding their special events is key to getting the most for your money. And finally, I'll give you a step-by-step guide to applying Temu coupon codes for 100% free stuff. Yes, 100% free. Ready to discover the easiest ways to score free Temu items, redeem Temu free gift codes, and access those exclusive discounts? Let's jump in. Remember that first code to get started, FRC05365. Enter it in the Temu app to claim your free gift. And for more coupon and deal information, make sure to check the description below. I'll have a section there with 50 more codes for Temu free gifts and additional Temu freebies, plus extra tips on how to find the latest deals directly on the Temu app, like daily gift boxes, referral programs, and seasonal sales. You won't want to miss these opportunities to save even more. If this video helps you grab some awesome freebies, please hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and let me know in the comments what free gifts you've managed to claim. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.